Hi guys, welcome back. This is 2000 Gaming and bring another Lost Sword content. Again, we're starting strong, making 3 videos today. Before I go wash the dishes and cook meals for the family. Again, wife is working, kid is at school. It is what it is. We do our responsibilities right. But before I do that, I'm gonna be making a video on what selector, who are you choosing. Let's just talk about it. Thankfully, I'm not thankful that there's like a problem in the servers, but the rewards are very very significant, that it boosts quite a lot of like all of the accounts across the board. Okay, because we will have a free selector. It's kind of crazy. So again, if you're enjoying the content in this channel, please do consider subscribing to the channel. Trying to reach that 5,000 goal with your help. Please do subscribe. Do really appreciate you guys. So first off, again, are you a new player? Okay, those are the questions. Are you a new player? Are you a mid-game player? Or do you have like, again, if you are a whale, you don't really, you don't, it doesn't really concern you that much for the selector, because you're fairly okay with it. But like again, see, I don't have Anessa. So all of this selector, if you are a mid-game, so preferably you want, like, depends on what you have. Okay, depends on what you have technically. So if you have your, like, your range mage team together with Galahad, then go ahead, try to complete that. So what will I do? I'm gonna use my selector on Lohen Green. Okay, but I would like to wait for Ava first. Okay, my selector would be for Lohen Green, for her to be T4, because again, her being at T5 almost competes with Tiamat. Not gonna lie. Okay, that was the impression of the Korean bros as well. They're giving their numbers, looking like it's almost identical in a way. Okay, but again, when Ava is coming, I suggest, like, if Ava would be your wizard as well, better wait for that selector and pull for Ava. Okay, if you don't have resources. So if you don't have resources and you have your team in place, oh, you have your Tiamats, you have your Neo Bedivirs, you have your Galahads. So might as well save and get that character for you to use. Okay? I know that copies are really really important in this game, but again, it's either you're pushing harder content. If you're pushing harder content, you need more copies. If you are still starting, try to like see mix and match characters that is suitable for your team. But usually the meta teams are like, for example, if I put my team here, that's just my, that's my so meta team. I'm, that's technically, if you're going to your raid, like, that's pure damage, right? I'm just gonna pure damage. And then if I'm going to the hard content, you can do hybrids. You can do this hybrid of Galahad, Lancelot, Diane, Neo Bedivere, or and Tiamat, or you can remove Neo Bedivere and put in Isolde. No, not Isolde. You can put in Lohen Green, or you can swap away. You can put in healers. It all depends on you. But again, mostly if you remove her here, that's gonna be like, remove her here. This would be technically your team in a way. Like, for example, that one, that one. Like, if you're trying to build a mage team, a pure mage team, you can put in Merlin here, and then backline would be Ava. So your full mage wizard team. So that might be the case. But if you are trying to do the hybrid, it's all up to you. Like, you can put in her here, Diane, and like that. Or like, sometimes you can just remove Diane if you want healings. You can put in 2 healers here. Like, you can remove her, you can remove Neo Bedivere and then put in multiple healers here. It all depends on you. You mix and match. Again, if you're new, better you have multiple characters on your disposal to mix and match your team. But preferably, the meta right now is the knight team and the wizard team, mage and range team. So those are the kinds of teams that you will be doing. So if you go here, I'll show you my team technically in a way. I'm just gonna be editing this one. I might make a video later on for the star reincarnate, like star cantation, something like that. Let's go here in the battle. So the star reincarnation will be fighting Tiamat here. So if you challenge here, I have, technically this would be my mage and range team. Then on the other side, that would be my, I'm gonna change this one as well. I might change my team to, I might change her to put in Ran because she has much more copies now. So, frontliner, K, everybody's a frontliner. We might see what we get here. Depends, but like I might put in here. So this is technically two teams that you can go to. So again, Diane buffs all of your knights. Okay, buffs all of your knights together with Lohengrin at the back and everybody else. Okay, and then on the other side here, this buffs Galahad buffs all of your range and wizards. So this is how I do stuff. So again, you have two teams in question, but again, more characters means more adjustments moving forward. Because again, when you play the game at early stages, you will be getting, if you're lucky enough, you'll be getting multitude of characters. Plus, the game also gives you a selector at every end of the month, so you can get copies from that. So again, better having more plethora of characters moving forward. That's why, even though I don't have Anessa, because technically I don't have any use for Anessa on my team. It's all about availability and your team that you want to muster or you want to form. So hopefully, I have given you that idea wherein, okay, I might put in Ava on my pure attack mage team, mage range team. Okay? That's why I'm gonna use the selector on Ava. But I still do need copies, more copies to push content. So if you're trying to push content such as myself, I might get that selector to put in my characters to reach maybe like T5 or T4. Those are the things that you need to consider. But again, if you're new, you can pick your poison. You can technically get multitude of the characters which are meta currently. So that's why I was like showing you guys which are technically meta units. You will see it here. So again, these are the meta units that you will see. Okay? So some are like flex characters like Erin. You can put Erin on harder content. She's currently on there. Claire, you can put her there as well. Like those kind of things. So again, it's all up to you, depends on you. But my selector, I might be saving my selector, waiting for Ava to see and what the Korean bro says. And I want to test her out as well and how she does her thing. But again, please do save this selector. I think this selector is a godsend for everybody. I know we don't want the servers to be down, but this selector gives us that opportunity to get her without even using our diamonds. So, are you using that selector now? Or are you just waiting for Ava to come up and see if she's good or not? I would like to hear from you guys down in the comment section down below. This is again 2300 Gaming, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Bye-bye.